Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create custom AI characters in Talkie. So let's get started with the video. So once you are on the home page and you have launched the latest version of the application, you will see a plus icon in the between at bottom side. Click on that. Post here, you will get an option of create your first Talkie. You need to click here. Here you can click on this plus icon in order to set the appearances, whichever you want. You can choose AI generate images. Here you will get some of the images that you can see here. You can choose any one of the image and click on create image, or you can also give your prompt and get it created. Wait for a few minutes until it completes to 100%. It might take few seconds. So here it's been done. Then you need to scroll down and it will ask for sound, that is Talkie's voice, which was, if you want to upload any voice, you can choose it from here, and post that you can click on done. The next one is background music. If you want any kind of background music, you can choose it from here. The next one is Talkie's profile. You can give a particular name to your AI. Whatever AI character you are generating, you can give a name to it. For example, I'm giving a name here. That is Mini. You can give any of the name here. You can select the gender, and here you can determine dialogue effect. So basically here you can customize how your character communicates. You can write it here. The next one is intro. So if you, in this introduction section, you can write a brief introduction that captures the essence of your character. You can, in the opening section, you can write how the character should open. And then you can click on advanced setting as well. Here you can choose the model. Here you can challenge mode. If you want to add any kind of challenge, you can click on start creating and do that. The next one is dialogue style. You can click on add. If you want to add any kind of dialogue here, you can do it here, and then click on import at the upper right corner. The next one is visibility. If you want your character to be visible publicly, you can choose publicly, else you can choose private as well. And once it has been done, you need to click on create my Talkie at the bottom right corner. So once all the details have been filled, just click on create my Talkie. A copyright agreement will come. You need to click on confirm. And once you have done that, the AI character will be created in your Talkie. So basically this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.